गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखते हैं सेल्सफोर्स डेवलपर में ट्रिगर्स टॉपिक के ऊपर सेंसर ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है। ये क्वेश्चन आपको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने में हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट, writer triggers on account when account is insert automatically accounts billing address should be populated into the account and shipping the address. Triggers change shipping the address account and before insert. Before account in object and triggers new, we should first check whether the user is passing null data. If object billing the is equal to null, object shipping state is equal to object billing. If billing the city is equal to null, object shipping the city is equal to object and billing. If billing state is equal to null, object shipping the state, object billing. If billing the postal code is equal to null, object shipping the postal code is equal to object and billing postal code. If billing the country is equal to null, object shipping the country is equal to object billing the country. Next questions, writer triggers on of the account when the account is updated. Check all opportunity related to the accounts update. All opportunity stage to close last if an opportunity created date is greater than 30 days from today and stage not equal to the close one. Triggers of opposite stage update on account after update. Set ID accounts ID is equal to null set. Account triggers dot new account ID dot address. Day 30 is the date which is a 30-day less than today. Date time day 30 is equal to system. List opportunity opposite list update is equal to null list. Getting the opportunity whose account has been updated. List opportunity opposite list, select ID account ID and stage name, create a date, close date from the opportunity where the account ID and accountant. If opposite list sites for opportunity opposite, checking for condition if created date in greater than 30 days from the today stage not equal to the close one. If opposite created date 30 day opposite stage name is equal to close last, opposite close date and system the date today. Opposite list update and add, opposite putting the change opportunity to separate list of the update later. Chase checking if the opportunity list which has a change having the records or not. If opposite list and update the list update. Next questions. Once an account is insert and emails should go to the system admin user with a specifying text below. Account has been the created and the name is account name. Triggers send emails admin on the accounts after the insert. To send list of mail when there are the insert on of list of account. List message single the emails message mails is equal to no list messaging single and emails message. Query to the get of the emails of a system admin user object. Select ID profile name emails from the users where the profile name system administrations for the account and object triggers dot new. Checking if the user's emails is not null. If his user's object emails null, assigning the single mail to send messaging single email message mail is equal to new messaging and single emails and message. Assigning the sender name for mail the sender is display name and Salesforce. We are the make all of this below the feeds as false because those are not the needed for new. Mail set use signature false. Mail set BCC sender false. Mail set save the activity false. Next questions, once account will update, then that account will be updated with the total amount from all its opportunity. On the account level, the account field's name would be the total opportunity amounts. Triggers total related opposite account and before the update. Get the account if account ID of the list of accounting getting the updated get of the related opportunity. Set ID, account ID and new set for the account dot triggers dot new. Before making the changes, see to the that total opportunity amount fits or total opportunity amount is equal to 0. Map to get the account ID and sum of its related opportunity amount in insert later. Map ID double accounts map is equal to new map and aggregate result to get the sum of the opportunity amount grouped by the account ID. List aggregated result. Select the accounts ID, sum amount, total amount from the opportunity where the account in ID group by the accounting. ID account ID is equal to ID get account ID double total amount and double the total amounts amount of map and map put and account ID total the amounts. Again the looping the amounts accounts which are the getting the updated and making the changes. Total the opportunity amount feeds for the account and account triggers dot name if amount map and contain key total opportunity amount and amount the map get. Next questions, create the fields and opportunity line item serial number text and populate the increment and value once opportunity line the items is added to the. Let's say if we add 3 product, then we sequence would be first, second, third. Now if we delete 2 and again add one more product, this is must be for iterative of the deleted sequence number. Triggers serial opposite line items. Opportunity lines items before the insert. Set ID opposite new the set. Opportunity lines items opposite product triggers dot new and opposite ID adds opposite product opportunity ID. Map ID string and opposite money and list opportunity if opposite product for the opportunity listen the opposite if opposite product serial and getting the last number of the serial number fits string the last word and pass opposite serial number and converting string into the enter so that I can increment the last number which is already there is serial fields and enter the number is equal to enter the value appending the increment number adding it to map so that I can make change for the opportunity line item which is new getting the insert. Next questions, write a triggers on the contact to prevent duplicate records based on the contact emails and context phones. Triggers duplicate emails phone on contact before insert before update map string contact the email mapping new map in string the contact string map contact phone map for the contact and triggers dot new if triggers dot insert email map and put contact email and contact phone map the put contact phone contact if triggers dot update triggers if trigger dot old map get contact ID, email map dot put, if trigger would map the get, and phone map the put, and string or error message getting the contact whose image phone already exit list contact exiting the contact list if the exiting the contact list, and for the contact race and exiting if contact race, if email map dot get error message emails, if contact emails, and if phone map get contact the phones is equal to null. Next question, writer triggers only system admin. The user should be able to the delete task. Trigger task that is can be the delete by CA task before delete and ID paid user information get the profile's ID, profile the name, select name from the profile via the ID and paid for the task object and triggers dot old. If name is equal to system admin and task object ID errors, no access for the deletions. Next questions, create a duplicate leads when leads insert public class check require recursive private static boolean runs is equal to true. Public static the boolean the runs once. If run and run the false run true is return the run and triggers the duplicate leads of one leads after the insert. If the check requires once uh, run once list lead and list new the list lead and lead list triggers dot new and diff clone insert the leads. Next question, duplicate upload any PDF files into document first, send emails as a attachment to the leads emails ID when leads is a created email subject welcome triggers send emails with the PDF files attached on of the leads after the insert list messaging single emails message and emails list. Once app launcher the search for the emails template can create a new emails template with name PDF attached emails for the lead subject welcome the body. Please find out the attached PDF and related into the type is equal to leads and save. Let go to the it is related tab and add to the files which you want to the attach to the image. Note when you send single mail, the actual fields will be the sent. But if you send list of mail, then files will be sent in the link format where if they click on the thing, then the files open. Image template. The image template select the ID, subject, descriptions, HTML value, developer's name, body from the image template where num name, PDF attached, image and leads. For the leads and object triggers dot name if the image is equal to nulls, message single the image message emails, mail set the target object, mail set of the sender the display name, mail set use signature false, mail set the BCC sender false, mail set save the activity false, mail set the template the emails template ID. Next questions. Write a triggers on the contact when a contact in insert and emails should be sent to the contact emails ID with specify a template so that first you need to the create a text template the template designing below triggers sending the emails after insert on the contact after insert list messaging single the emails message emails template email the template and for contacts and triggers dot new if object emails messaging single email message mail set target object old id mail sent to sender the display name mail set use signatures set bcc senders. Next questions, When a opportunity line items is created, and email should be go to the opportunity account client the contact would be the fields on the account lookup to the contact. Triggers send emails to the contact on opportunity line items after the insert. Next questions, write a triggers on the opportunity when insert, and the opportunity line items should be the insert by the default with any of the product associated with the opportunity. Example, triggers opportunity the list item insert on opportunity after the insert. Next questions, write a triggers on the account the when account and is updated when account of type of type changes send and emails to the all its subject all contact that your the contact information has been the changes subject account update information body your the accounts information has been the update successfully account and name xyz. Example, in triggers send emails account types change on accounts after the update. Set id account id new set id. Next questions, write the triggers on all the opportunity line items when line items delete on opportunity as well. Triggers opportunity delete on opportunity line items after the delete. Set ID the opposite new set ID for opportunity line item of triggers.old getting the all opportunity IDs. Opposite ID add opposite product opportunity getting all the list of the opportunity with the last adds that is we got above. List opportunity the above the select ID and opportunity where IDs and performing the delete and operation for all these opportunity delete the list. Sorry. Next questions. Once an opportunity line items is created in certain applications, also triggers quit and insert on opportunity line items after the insert. Set ID for opportunity upload ID list quick list opposite list if opposite list size for opposite list quick a new opportunity ID opposite ID is not the compulsory to give the name of opportunity name, and it is a account name. You can just pass some of the random name. Also, I have passed the opportunity name and its account name, and you will just identify quick easily. Next questions, when you account billing the city is update is all it is contact mailing the city with account the billing the city. Triggers update and account related contact emails city account after the update. Next questions, add a feeds multi-select take list on account and opportunity as well and add value A B C D E F. Now if we update on opportunity with this multi-select value account and should be also updated. Next questions, create a feeds and opportunity as a client contact once and opportunity client or contact update accounts client contact with some on opposite client the contacts. Triggers account client the contact update of opposite client the contact opportunity after the update. Set ID for the opportunity app for the if the client contact of the opportunity is a null, then we are not changing the accounts client contact. If opposite client contact triggers old map get old address. Create a next question. Create a assist when creating an opportunity line items with associated accounts. Next questions. When a contact update, collect all opportunity amounts and update. This is a amount and accounts level feeds total the opportunity amounts. Example, triggers update and complete the opposite amounts on the accounts and contact after update. Next questions, once it's updated an emails should go to the manager emails ID when total the number of the accounts owned by the him. You have a assigned number of the accounts on account the content number of the contacts like subject to the your account and the number of the release contact. Example, next questions, writer triggers on of the opportunity line items and to the peak list value in the product family feeds an electronic handbook and pick list product type of opportunity with the some pick list value. Now the once you add one line items into opportunity, check if the opportunity product type if the sum of opportunity line items product family it lets it be insert or add and erase the product family does not match. Example, next questions. Once opportunity line items added to the opportunity with of the specifying the product, then a product total the quantity and must be dedication dedicated from the product object. If we have a total quantity 100 and product object we have to add it to the 50 line items, then the product must be updated and 15 create total the quantity and available quantity fits and product. Example, next question, writer triggers in account and when your account is insert and automatically account and billing the address and should be populated into the account and shipping the address. Account triggers account and accounts before the insert. Account triggers and handlers object is equal to new the accounts triggers and handlers object event actions. Account triggers handlers object public classic the accounts list accounts triggers new list account and triggers old map ID and account triggers map ID account triggers is old map and public account triggers new list account and triggers old list account trigger new map trigger old map. Next question, writer triggers on of the account in when accounts updated check all of opportunity is opportunity related to the accounts and update all the opportunity stage to the close last if an opportunity created date is greater than 30 days from the today and stage in equal to the close one account triggers. Example, thank you friends, please like and share the my channels. Thank you so much, bye bye, take care.